here's how to target a pop-up by UTM in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, just go to pop-up and sticky bars on the left side so that you can see the pop-ups that you have created. So I created this pop-up and we just need to edit them. Go to the pop-up overview, just click on it, and you will be redirected to the pop-up overview right here. So this is where we can target this pop-up right here. So you can use URL targeting. So right here under targeting, we need to fill all of this information right here. So for the URL targeting, we need to input our domain, or you need to enter the domain that you would like your pop-up to appear on. So you can use any domain that you have. So for example, this is my domain right here. So after inputting your domain, you need to fill URL paths, and in order to use UTM, change the URL that exactly match to URLs that contains. So after setting up the URL paths to this one URLs that contains right here on this bar right here, input your UTM parameters. So let's say UTM source equals, for example, Facebook. So that's it. So now we're using URL parameters. So we can now just edit this triggers. So you can edit the triggers whatever you want. You can choose the action on when this pop-up will appear, the frequency itself. See how this often will display in your website or in your domain that you have chosen. So let's say shows 1 per visitor or shows on every visit. And after you're done editing the trigger frequency and URL targeting, after you're done modifying this one, just click publish to activate your URL targeting and you're done. And that is how to target a pop-up by UTM and Unbounce.